Damn, man, this is down there, you know. Rock and roll, man. Right in here, you know, come back here for me. That's dumb shit. Niggas be running you over and shit, but. Well, man, that motherfucker. Them is two dudes. Them is two dudes, and that's the girl right there. He like, bro, her ass is fat as fuck. But her shit is front. You ain't hear that, nigga. You ain't never heard of a pregnant bird in the winter. Hell no. What is that? You hear that shit? That ain't normal. Hell no. Hell no. No, they alright. Don't like us black folk. You hear that shit, nigga? Hell yeah, I hear that shit. Hell no. Hell no. That's the time. Get your black ass over here. Get your nigga ass over here. Hell no, bro. They ain't never did that shit in the summer. Hell no. That shit is fun as a Damn, that water just looked like 90 below. I was gonna say Isaac was on the bottom of the damn bridge. You know it's going this far. Now, I'm gonna know something, you throw another one. I'm gonna let this one go. I'm not. This is a damn rock. You don't even like.
I didn't even throw any rocks.
Yeah, you did. Don't rock. I get another one. Man, this one bigger. Man. I get another one. Look how big those fucking icicles is. Woo-hoo! Shit. You can kill somebody, man.